चंपू लग रही हो यार. Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Yamana Thakur. I hope you all are doing great, and I'm really very sorry that I'm making this video part 2 after a very long time because I was really very occupied with my board exams and whatnot. Like, I do have to prepare for my entrance exam as well, but yet I decided that I'm going to be very active on my YouTube channel. That's it. Where is my screen? मेरी पूंछ क्यों निकली है भाई? Okay, so in the previous video we spoke about some things about FYJC, and as now I have passed out 12th 2, which is SYJC, so I can make a specific video on what you can do and what you should not do and you should avoid in order to survive your SYJC. So I'm just gonna make that too, and content. So these are chapters for this video and I hope that you'll like it. So you can just skip whenever you like to on the specific topic that you want to listen. First, FOMO is a trap and do not fall for it. Like, literally avoid having FOMO because FOMO is nothing but it's all in your head. So in short, what you're gonna do is balance. You go out with your friends, you enjoy, you do anything or everything with them, but to an extent. It should not extend to a point where you feel so petrified of your exams that you have done nothing, and it will affect your SYGC. Because see, I'll tell you one thing, FYGC is the base of your SYGC studies. So if you'll get cleared with all the concepts and everything in your FYJC, your half of the SYJC will get sorted. Even if you will not attend most of the lectures, you will get clarified with all the concepts that you have studied in FYJC, because most of the concepts of the SYJC are the basics of FYJC. You might feel that you're missing out on a lot and you're just not being there enough. Your friends are bunking lecture each and every day and they're going out, they're like for a movie, they're going to a new cafe, they are exploring whatever. To an extent it is completely all right, but I think when it crosses that boundary, then it is a problem. And I think that you should not let yourself feel that you're missing out on a lot, because you're not. Focusing on yourself is not missing out. The most loudest and the most active person in the entire FYJC will be the one who will panic the most during their exams. Do not get carried away by it just because everyone is doing that. You do you, okay? And see, I'll just tell you one thing. FYJC and SYJC, these are the two things which will make you more and more stronger for your first year degree college, which is basically first year of your actual college life. You will experience each and everything that you need to experience in your FYJC first year junior college and second year of junior college. But in the first year of degree college, सब कुछ change हो जाता है because you get more responsibilities, you get more matured each and every day, each and every second. I'm not a perfect person to guide you on self-discipline because I'm someone who is trying to be disciplined as I can in terms of my work, in terms of my everything. So I'm still in that process of being disciplined. But yes, all I can guide you is basically FYJC is a phase where you develop this skill known as self-discipline. It is going to help you out throughout your life. कॉलेज तुम्हें हर एक चीज स्पून फीड करके नहीं देगा. कॉलेज तुम्हारे पीछे नहीं भागेगा फॉर अटेंडेंस until and unless तुम्हारे पास कोई ज्यादा ही स्ट्रिक्ट कॉलेज है एंड कोई तुम्हारा सबमिशन नहीं मांगेगा. इफ यू नॉट स्टडी इन FYJC, you will struggle a lot in SYJC. So instead of waiting for the motivation to hit you like a rock, study for at least 30 minutes a day and then you just increase it according to your comfort. Second last thing and the most important, take notes. Note writing is going to help you out literally 1 minute before your exam. Most of you will be like, oh, I'll study from the textbook and all that shit and I'll memorize everything. Shit. Trust me, shit. Because whatever you will study, you will realize that half of what you have studied, you'll forget everything. And everything will be gone from your memory. So if you want to make your life easier FYJC, just take notes. मैं तो कहती हूँ टॉपर के नोट्स छीन के फाड़ के ले लो, but just have notes for specific topic that you're studying, because I love making notes, okay? And I'm someone who can make notes very specifically because I know how to make notes properly and I love making it. So that is why I enjoyed making notes a lot in my FYJC. Last, learn time management. You need to work on yourself. Like, if you do not have that inbuilt, like I have this thing that I procrastinate a lot, but I know that I'll just get that work done no matter what. I guess that is the reason that I procrastinate a lot. And it doesn't have to be very big time management. Start small. FIGC specifically has this thing to make you feel that there's too much to do. Lecture, assignments, social life, practicals, blah 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 blah. The trick? Prioritize. For example, तुम्हारा एग्जाम आ रहा है अभी 2 दिन में and then you have this one assignment to do. So just prioritize कि तुम्हें assignment पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना है या फिर एग्जाम पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना है. अगर तुम assignment को जैसे जैसे खींच तुम आगे ड्यू डेट तक बढ़ा सकते हो, बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी, जो ड्यू डेट होता है FIGC में स्पेसिफिकली, उसके 1 महीने बाद जाके भी प्रोफेसर तुम्हारा एक्सेप्ट कर लेगा वो असाइनमेंट, लेकिन एग्जाम वापस नहीं आने वाला. सो यू नीड टू प्रायोरिटाइज तुम्हें किस चीज पे पहले फोकस करना है और किस चीज पे बाद पे फोकस करना है. And sometimes we just think that in order to do this specific work, we need to invest a lot of our time. But it's nothing like that. Trust me, if you will start doing that specific work, you will realize within the 5 minutes into that work, you will realize this work was nothing. And I was just freaking out for no fucking reason. Making your life much more easier, you need to just make a to-do list a day in advance. Because it will help you and you will see that how much more control you have over your time. And guys, look, FIGC is a mixture of fun, confusion, experiences, a little bit taste of adulthood. You are going to make mistakes and that is all okay, because don't just try to be perfect. तुम ना ये thought अपना कचरे के डब्बे में डाल दो that you'll have to behave in a certain way, that you'll have to be in a certain way, because trust me, the moment you'll get into FIGC and the moment you'll pass out from SYGC, you will be a complete different human being. Trust me. Do not try to be perfect. Make mistakes, learn from it. But भाई कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ी mistake मत कर देना, पता चला किसी को छत से फेंक दिया. Just don't do that. Know who you are and don't just get carried away from another person's personality or the way they look. Comparison in short. Just enjoy your FIGC without losing yourself. So in any way, if you found this video helpful, drop a like, comment your thoughts. Until the next time, take care of yourself and make the most of FIGC.